Another super choppy day. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Friday, and hopefully for many of you, you had an amazing Thanksgiving. With that being said, oh man, excuse me. Markets are in the green, but since the moment they have opened, all they've been doing is consolidating. And at least for myself, right? When it comes down to taking a trade, I want direction to be clear. And in my opinion, direction is not clear. I do not know if this thing is going to begin to gap up or if it's going to begin to gap down. On the larger time frames, if you look at the 30-minute, we just talked about this during my live trading session with the LPP team. And we said, hey, markets are beginning to recover. There is this ascending structure with higher highs and higher lows, and there is no break of structure to justify a short position right now. Markets, markets as of right now, they are bullish, but they're overbought enough that I don't really care to go long if they end up breaking support here and then there's the big gap down, especially with the uncertainty that's been presenting itself. It just really doesn't surprise me that there's not much news being released today. It's the day after Thanksgiving. Today's a half day. As many of you guys know, the stock market is expected to close at 1 p.m. Eastern time. So please, the biggest thing that I wanted to share in today's video is do not force a trade today. Don't over leverage yourself. Do not waste your time trading when it's just choppy. You know there's no clear opportunity and you end up bag holding that position and just starting off next week on a terrible note, right? The thing that I also wanted to highlight is Bitcoin is pushing up, right? I don't want to just talk about it when it's selling off. As Bitcoin pushes up, MSTR is also beginning to uptick. It's up 5% at one point. It hit highs of 187. Trust me, it's taking everything in me to not open up a short position on MSTR. I love overbought reversals, but remember, it's all about market condition. And this is something that I'm trying to get better at. When market conditions are not bearish and Bitcoin isn't actively selling off, it's still doing a very good job holding up here. And as long as they continue to uptick and hold up there, it allows MicroStrategy to continue to sustain itself at elevated levels or even push up higher. So again, I want to take a trade when my criteria is being met and when it all makes sense, right? And that time will come. Again, I just have to be patient. I have to be calculated. There are setups, especially as what we're seeing right now. It looks like MSTR actually does look a little weaker than what Bitcoin does. But then all of a sudden it begins to recover with Bitcoin. I just don't want to get into that mess. So definitely a stock that I'm paying attention to possibly short, but I don't want to force it. The other thing that, again, a member within my LPP team brought up today is SMX. It's running up 178%. Let me make this very clear. This is not a safe stock. It completely broke out just a week ago. It was at $3.12, and today it hit highs of $60. It's a momentum-based stock, and as you can see, it ran up to $60 and then came crashing down to $42. This is not a stock for beginners. This is a momentum-based stock, and it continues to get halted. It's an incredibly risky stock. Please, please, please don't use leverage, and please, if you're a beginner, just stay away from this. This is not a stock that you want to mess around with and then find out, especially on a half day. Other than that, again, I just wanted to remind you, we are hosting our biggest sale today, and it ends tonight at midnight. It's Black Friday. It's 50% off LPP 3.0. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access. You'll get to watch me trade live every single morning, and you also get access to the A to Z video lesson library, the daily live trading sessions, and then the LPP 3.0 group chat. Like I said, it's the biggest discount we will ever offer. It's 50% off, and you have up until tonight to sign up for that discount. That's going to be that second link in the description down below. Investing Pro also does have their own discount going on, and you can get up to 60% off plus an additional 15% off, which discounts Investing Pro to less than $8 a month. If you want to check it out, that's going to be the first link in the description down below. But again, as markets continue to remain choppy, when in doubt, like we say before, never be afraid to cash out and stay cash. If your criteria is not actually being met, why force a trade? So again, excited to kick off next week and pretty much next month with you guys on our live trading session on Monday. I hope to see you there. And remember, whenever you're ready to join, second link in the description down below. You have up until tonight to take advantage of our Black Friday sale for 50% off. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team, and happy Friday.